Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Fundamentals Math 2 Self-Round-2 Assignment 1, and today I'm going to discuss about the following two questions: what is time.delta time and what is time.time. So what is time.delta time? Time.delta time represents the time in seconds it took to complete since the last frame. It is used to measure the elapsed time between the current frame and the previous frame. So time to delta time is a static property of the time class. It is used in game development to make frame rate independent calculations or control the animation speed or movements. Since frame rates can vary on different devices and different system loads, using time to delta time ensures that game runs consistently regardless of the frame rate. So applications of time.delta time can be seen in games like Super Mario Bros, where it is used to control character and enemy movement, ensuring that they move at the consistent speed regardless of the frame rate. It can also the application can also be seen in GTA games, where it is used in character movements and vehicle physics, etc. So next is what is time.time. So time.time is a property that represents the total time elapsed in seconds since the start of the game. So it keeps tracks of how much time has passed since the game or application has begun running. If the game is paused, uh, then or the time scale is set to 0, the time value will also be paused until the game keeps the game is continued or paused again. So the applications of time can be seen in games like Minecraft, where it is used to control the game's day-night cycle. Its applications can also be seen in racing games like Gran Turismo. So these games keeps track and displays the lap time using precise time calculations using time or other time-based tracking mechanisms. That's all. Thank you.